I posted a problem on Facebook and Twitter before whereby Simon opened a gym where he was charging members a fee of £3 but with an extortionate £98 initial startup fee, and non-members just had to pay £10 a time. So what we wanted to do is we wanted to find out how many times each member would have to go, and a non-member would have to go, in order that the two would be paying the same amount of money. So what we do, when we have a problem like this, we want to set up an equation. So to set up an equation, we need an unknown. Our unknown here, we'll call it x, is going to be the number of times that each has to go. So if we put x is equal to the number of workouts. Okay, so we know that the two equations that we're going to set up must equal each other. So the amount of times that non-members must work out is going to equal the amount of times that members are going to work out. So for non-members, it's £10 a time, so it's just 10 times by x. And this should then be equal to the same amount of money that the members will be paying. So the members are paying £3 a time. So theirs is £3 times by x, which is the number of workouts. But they also have this additional £98. So we add 98. Okay. So now we've set up our equation, and all we need to do is simply find x. So to find x, we need to get x on one side. We will pick the side that has the biggest value of x. So this is 10x. So we'll take the 3x over, so it'll change from a positive to a negative. So we will have 10x minus 3x equals 98. We then simplify that. 10 minus 3 is 7, so we have 7x equals 98. Now to get x on its own, what we need to do is we need to divide both sides by this 7 just to get x. So if we divide the left by 7, we just get x. If we divide the right by 7, we get 98 divided by 7. So we can do that either in our head or on our calculator. And x is equal to 14. So if non-members and members both do 14 workouts, they will end up paying exactly the same amount of money.